No sound coming on your soundbar subwoofer. No problem, don't open it yet. Watch the simple step on how you can link it back. First of all, this is denon DHT316. Plug the power and you'll see the light blinking slowly like this. Now bring the bar, locate the power input and plug the soundbar also. At this particular one, the AC input is at the left side. You plug the soundbar, look at the front, you will see the three lights come on first like this, and after that it will go back. Then there's when you will have to power it on again. It's off now, and you have to power it on again. Then at the subwoofer, locate the sync key at the subwoofer. Once you locate the sync key at the subwoofer, now this one, the camera is not placed close to it. The power is on. You can see a little dot, the Bluetooth dot there. Locate the sync key at the back of the subwoofer and press and hold it for 5 seconds. When you hold it for 5 seconds, you'll see the light start blinking, just like this. Now the light blinks fast. Then on the soundbar, hold Bluetooth and volume plus steady for at least 3 to 5 seconds, and the light will come steady. Once the green lights come steady, it's connected. Boom, we're here. It's now connected. Please, if this is your first time coming across my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can check other